Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we have the last lesson in unit number 3, which is about numbers and body parts. Our learning outcomes for today, number 1, we are going to identify and name body parts. Do you remember body parts that we had last time? Yes, we have arm, head, fingers, thumb, body, foot. Excellent. Number 2, we are going to describe physical appearance. We have some creatures. We are going to describe them. Then we are going to count numbers. Do you remember numbers from 1 to 5? We are going to count objects and write numbers. Number 4, we are going to write numbers from 1 to 5. Okay, now as a warm-up, I will ask you to point to your body parts, okay? You have to follow the instructions, okay? Now, I want you to point to your head. Yes? Head. Where is your head? Excellent. Now, can you clap your hands? Very good. Stamp your feet. Excellent. Now, raise your hand. Excellent. Point to your arms. Well done, my students. Okay. When we describe our body parts, we say, I have got, for example, I have got one head. I have got two arms. I have got one body. Okay, my students? Now I want you to open your class book, page number 26. Look here. Here we have different creatures. Look at picture number 1. How many heads do we have here? 2 heads. What color are they? Pink. So this creature say, I have got 2 pink heads. Two blue arms and three pink legs. Well done. Okay, now you are going to listen to the tape recorder and match between numbers. Here we have number from 1 to 4. Match between numbers and pictures. For example, he will describe this one first. So you have to match it with number 1. If he described this one, you have to match it with number 1. Okay, listen and match. Look at these pictures and listen and match. Okay?
Listening 3.4. 1.
Hello, I'm Tweak. I've got 2 pink heads and 3 red legs. And I've got 4 blue fingers.
So which one, my students? Yes, this one. So we are going to match it with number 1. He said 2 heads, 3 red legs. It look like pink here with me. And here, how many fingers? 4 blue fingers. Okay. Now listen to number 2.
2.
Hello, I'm Zag. I've got 1 blue head and 5 pink fingers. And I've got 2 red legs.
Which one, my students? Very good. This one with happy face. He has got what? 1 blue head and 5 pink fingers. Well done. So this is number 2. Now listen to number 3.
3.
Hello, I'm Blop. I've got 1 orange head and 4 purple arms. And I've got 3 green legs.
Which one, my students? Excellent. With sunglasses, this one. He has got 1 orange head, 4 purple arms, and 3 green legs. So this is number 3. Excellent. The last one. Listen.
4. Hello, I'm Zark. I've got 1 green body, 2 yellow arms, and 5 orange toes.
Okay, so this one has got 1 blue head, 2 yellow arms, 1 green body. This is number 4. Okay, my students, now look at page number 27 in your class book. Here we have listen and you have to color the pictures. Okay, my students? Look at these pictures. Who can describe these pictures for me? What does it has got? It has got 2 red arms. Excellent. What about the body and legs? Listen to the description and color the picture.
Listening 3.5. 1,
Hello, I've got a green body and I've got 3 orange legs and 2 red arms.
Again.
listening 3.5. 1,
Hello, I've got a green body and I've got 3 orange legs and 2 red arms.
Okay. So I have got, my students, what color? Green body. What about the legs? Listen again.
Hello, I've got a green body and I've got 3 orange legs and 2 red arms.
3 orange. Okay, orange legs. So here this with orange. Okay. I don't have orange. It's look like this one, orange. Here you have to color this with orange. Okay, my students? Now listen to number 2.
2,
Hello, I've got a purple body and I've got 4 blue arms and 5 pink toes.
Okay, so purple body. Well done.
Hello.
Purple body. Okay, 1 purple body. And what about the arms? He said blue. So we have to color this with blue. Okay, all of these arms with blue. Okay, my students? Now listen to number 3.
2,
Hello, I've got a purple body and I've got 4 blue arms and 5 pink toes.
3,
Hello, I've got 2 yellow heads and 3 green legs. And I've got 5 orange fingers.
Okay, so
4,
he said 2 yellow head. Okay, and 3 green legs. So here we will color this with green. Okay, my students? Now listen to the last one.
Hello,
How my students?
Fingers.
How my students? What color? This one, the last one. Again, listen again.
4. Hello. I've got 1 pink head, 4 red fingers, and 5 blue toes.
So 4 red fingers. Okay, what about toes? What he said? Listen.
Head, 4 red fingers, and 5 blue toes.
5 blue toes. So toes, we are going to color them with blue. Okay, my students? Like this. Are you happy? Do you know all body parts and numbers? So color the happy face. Okay, now on your skills book, I want you to look at page 21. You are going to trace number, count, and write. Here, how many candles we have here? 1. So you have to write number 1. Start from dot like this. From line number 1 till 3. 1. Okay? Here, how many fish? We have 2. So you have to trace number 2. Okay, my students, start from the dot. Start from dot, then trace carefully like this. Okay, here how many snails? We have 3 snails. So you have to trace number 3. Start from dot. Okay, how many cows here? We have 5. Trace number 5. How many turtles? 4 turtles. So you have to trace number 4. Start from dot from up like this one. Cross down. Okay, my students? Now count and circle. Count how many ice creams here? 3 ice creams. So you have to make circle for 3 only. For 3 ice creams here. How many teddy bears here? We have number 2. So you have to make circle for 2 teddy bears. Okay, how many here? What number is it? Number 4. So you have to count. 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to make circle for 4 cats like this. Here, 1. So 1 fish only. Here, 5. So how many umbrellas? 5 umbrellas. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them. So you have to make circle for all of these umbrellas. Okay, my students? Here, as a homework, I want you to trace the numbers here. Right, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start from dot. Okay, my students, start from the dot. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.